Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Anuj Kumar and I'm your host for this Python video series. This video series we will cover up complete Python course. Basically this course is designed in two sections. In first section we will learn the fundamental of Python course, and in the second section we will learn the advanced feature of Python language. Now my question is, why everyone want to learn Python? Python is a very well-known programming language for its readability and simplicity, and making it an ideal choice for those who are new to the programming language. You just Google it and you will know why Python is so popular compared to the other languages. Python is a multi-purpose language that can be used in wide variety of applications like web development, data analysis, machine learning, artificial intelligence, automation, scientific computing, and many more. Python is the language that widely used in many fields like physics, biology, chemistry, astronomy, and engineering for data analysis and scientific computing tasks. So if you think you can make some changes in your professional career considering this language, then this course is for you. My next question is, who is this course for? So here again, I will say, if you are new to the Python, this course is for you. If you are professional, this course is for you. And if you want to refresh your Python journey once again, then this course is for you. So my next question is, why you should learn Python? As I said, Python is extensively used programming language in worldwide in any domain like machine learning, data analysis, artificial intelligence, deep learning, automation, networking field. So it's your choice. Why do you want to learn? You want to implement something web related data, or you want to become a data analysis, or your career towards to the machine learning, or you just want to implement some basic automation in your industry that can smoother your work. So this course is for you. Python was originally developed by Guido van Rossum in 1989. During that time, Mr. Van was working in National Research Institute in Netherlands. But there is a catch. Python was not made publicly available for anyone to use it. In 1991, it was officially made publicly available. Previously, Mr. Van was working in Dropbox, Google, Element Security, and so on. But now, he is working as a distinguished engineer at Microsoft. You can check out his profile in LinkedIn, you can check out his profile in Google, you can see the Google reviews for himself. We have talked about many positive things about the Python language, but there are some disadvantages or there are some limitations in Python languages. If I say a Python language is faster than C, C++, no. Python language is slower than C or C++ languages because it's an interpreted language. Another drawback is, in mobile industry, no one uses Python language to build an application. These are the limitations in the Python language. There are many more. I cannot cover all of them in one single video. I think this much information is enough for this video. I'll see you in the next class and we'll see how we can move forward towards to the Python programming journey.